please go back in the closet. I'm tired. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by me. I purchased this unit with my own coin, and let's just say it was $35 well spent. But before I show you guys how to get this unit from A to Slay, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so today we are trying the Sensational Curls Kinks & Co. Y-part texture lace wig with kinky edges. This is the style Kinky Loose Spiral in 24 inches. I got it in the color 1B, but it does come in some special colors as you see right here on the back. That blonde, what is that? Balayage gold, that's cute. You get some information on the inside, tell you how to care for the wig, the texture type 3B to 4C. Is it heat safe? Yes, 350 to 400, excuse me. Kinky edges that matches hair. Okay, we gonna see, cause I got the kinks around here. 5-inch deep parting space, pre-plucked. Let me get this out the pack. This is how that 1B is looking. Not bad, really pretty. It feels a little thin. We'll see how it feels once I put it on. That's how the hairline is looking with that Y part. That parting space looks decent. Them edges, was this one of the first ones? Why it look like that? But that's what the parting space is looking like. 2 combs on the side. You get a comb in the back with the adjustable straps and the attached elastic band. We'll see if I can use that band or not, because y'all know my head is real big in here. I don't have anything else to do. Why are my lights acting funky? Keeps getting bright, and maybe it's just me, I don't know. First, I'm gonna tint my lace. I'm gonna use the Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate. Yep, make sure that's the right one. Tint that all around there. Not much lace to tint, so I can make sure I get down that parting space pretty good. All right, bring it down. Okay, feels pretty good. Okay, let's see. I thought it was on my head. It's not. There she goes. Ooh, that is, I got blurry for a second. My cap then got all twisted up. When my cap starts shifting like that, take the band off. Let me just take off these straps in the back. Let's try that again before I cut it off, just to make sure. It could have been the bands. Still a little tight. Cut that. While I'm at it, let me just cut off that ear tab right up in here. Just cut that right on off. I don't need it. Okay, here we go. This ring is catching them. Once I get this lace off, it'll loosen up a little bit. That hairline looks real janky. We're gonna blow dry that. Let me brush it first and see what happens. How do I get hair up under here? I'm going to take my tweezers here, open this up right here. I will be spraying this down because I want my hairline to look a certain way. Let me add a little bit of heat right here in the front. I'm gonna work real fast on hot and high. I'm gonna kind of match this with my hairline on the side here. Here we go, here we go. Now I'm gonna use my Nairobi Mousse around this edge here and mold this hair down. I wanna move this back, move this down. Just to kind of mix here, my sideburn. Okay, yep. I'm definitely gonna have to spray this down to get the look that I want. My hairline is too far back. Let me move this down a little bit. There we go. All right, let's wrap it down so I can do some makeup. I had told y'all that I was gonna start doing the 1-week wig reviews, and I am, okay? They start next month, so human hair and synthetic. I also started doing vlogs. I posted my first vlog about a week ago. I will be dropping another one. No, not this week. I dropped the vlog last week, right? I think it was last week. I wanted to drop one this week, but I think like my mental was just not where it needed to be as far as like, you know, picking up a camera and filming anything. The state of our country right now just has me, I don't want to say in shambles, because, you know, I try to just focus on my household when I feel like I'm getting overwhelmed about, you know, other stuff. So I won't say in shambles, but I do feel like when I'm trying to be excited about things that are happening in my life or things that's going on with my family, I feel like it's not the appropriate time to like share stuff like that, because it's just like, people are really going through stuff. You know what I'm saying? Especially as a veteran, y'all know I did 12 years, and then obviously my husband is still active duty, so yeah, let's leave it right there. I was gonna do a 5-minute face, but I'm gonna do a little extra. Outside of that, I've been scrolling a lot on TikTok, and I saw a video of a Kardashian Jenner girls. One of them was wearing a white tank top to a function. You know, the tank tops that, you know, your little kids wear at the 5-packs that you get from Walmart or wherever, the lady beaters, them joints. And them 1-3 steppers are going crazy over that tank top, okay? Talking about something, this is the new, that's what they call it, the new Kendall Jenner tank top. What are we talking about? I'm gonna need y'all to stop colonizing everything. Just say you didn't know. It's just so funny how when certain demographics wear certain things, all of a sudden it's in style. But when other demographics wear things, it's ghetto, it's tacky. Okay, and now they're in the store buying up all the daggone undershirts. I'm gonna need you to put that size small, 6'7" down. My kid needs it. Get out of here. Let me do a little bit of foundation. Right there. Which brings me to my next point of influencing. There's a conversation going on right now about influencing and it being oversaturated and everyone trying to be an influencer. From my standpoint, as someone who is technically a wig influencer, whatever you want to call me, I will say there's a lane for everyone. Okay, it's never going to be oversaturation because brands are always looking for, you know, new faces. My only question is, who gonna be the doctor? The judge, the teacher. Now, I'm not saying that nobody wants to be those other occupations, doctors, lawyers, you know, teachers, judges, all that kind of stuff, scientists. Even those people are on social media. Is this where we are headed as a society? Everything is just online, everything is free for all, everything is just open. Like, I miss the time when I had to kind of like guess about celebrities. Like, I didn't really know too much. I knew it was over once Will Smith joined Instagram. Like, oh my gosh. That is the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. I don't want to know what you eating for breakfast today. No, let it be a surprise. I definitely miss the days of, like, you know, you have famous people, celebrities, Hollywood, and then you have, you know, us regulars. Now the influencers are the celebrities. They're on the same playing field as the actors and the Hollywood stars, and it's just, wow, get that bag. I'm just saying, I miss the illusion of it all. I miss the allure. I miss the, what's the word I'm looking for? Whatever you want to call it. I miss not knowing. Now you can just go online and find out information about anybody. I don't like that. I also feel that way about, you know, our politics and stuff like that. You know, no one talked about that. No one talked about their politics. You had your idea, or you could assume about people, but you didn't really know. And everybody just out in the open, you know, throwing up hand signs and stuff. Please go back in the closet. I'm tired. I miss secrets. Put some powder on my eyes because I forgot that. Right up in here. I'm also gonna do a little bit of the darker brown on my edge or on my corner here. Just kind of pop that out just a smidge. The different lanes of society, I miss that. And everything is kind of just melded together with social media. And it's like, ugh, yuck. There was a time where we wanted to know the information. We were hunting for the information. And now that we got it, I don't want to know more. It's so much information that we are second guessing the information. They are telling us to our face, this is what we're doing. And we're like, are you really though? You're not really doing that, because why would you tell us that? We are literally faking ourselves out of the truth. Y'all, that is crazy. What a time, what a time. Yeah, ooh, ooh. I know I'm doing a lot of yapping about a bunch of stuff, but you know, this is how my brain has been working all week. Slow down, Savannah. Brush this off. Got me a new little brush. See how flat it is? Kind of curves to the face. I like that. Ooh, basking in the ambience. I know dang well I didn't throw my lashes out. Put these little, these raggedy ones on. It just has like a gap right there, so it looks a little weird. I pulled out a lash by accident. Oh well. Come on, lift. I'm really bummed about those lashes. Those were some good lashes. I have another pack, I don't have them out, so yeah. I wore blush the other day and I actually like the way I put it on, so I'm gonna do it again. Take my blush palette here. This is the KieGalore blush palette. Those are the colors. Take a mixture of these three right here. So instead of putting it on the apple of my cheek, like, you know, they teach you to do right here, I started putting it on like contour. So just on the outside and then up like that for that kind of look. You see that? Y'all see what I'm doing? Up in here. Can you see it over there? Then I'm gonna do my highlight from the contour palette, this little color right here, right on top of that blush. And then under the brow. Bring some down the nose, tip of the nose, and the Cupid's bow. Using a mixture of these two, the Sculpt and Contour colors in my Black Radiance contour palette. This is the medium to dark palette. Just carving out the nose. Let me spray it down one more again. Let's unwrap the hair. See what we looking like. I don't like that. We're gonna fix it. I'm gonna use my melt spray. I don't want as much hair down. There we go. Push back what I don't need. Oop. It gets sticky real fast, so I want to try to hurry up and get this hair situated. I feel like I want to cut, or I should have cut this. Just add some water to lift that up right here. Ah, I got it in my hair right here. Don't do what I did, okay? Cut it before. Brush this out again. Comb that out. Okay, I got some tangles and some shedding. This is a light yaki, okay? Very light. This is all one length right here. I feel like I want to cut like a little layer right here. In here as well. I'm gonna use a little bit of hairspray right here in the front. And I'm gonna lift this up. Clip, clip, clip it up. Take my foundation, put a dot, take my fluffy brush. I'm gonna see what I can blend with just this first. Then I'm gonna blend it with my hairline and my forehead. It might be too light because of this cast, so I might need to use my contour. We'll see. The hairline looks a lot better now that I've gotten it together. I'm gonna use a little bit of my contour, just a smidge. I'm gonna tap some on my brush, tap some on the paper. Y'all see the difference in that color? Foundation, contour. Very light. Tap around the edge. Get that all in there. Get my contour brush, blend that down. Can't have too harsh of a line. Let me put a little bit of powder in my parting space. Use my milk chocolate powder to do that. Let me fix my layer. So, all right, cute. I can probably do like a flip over. Let me see. Yep. Immediately, yes. Let me add a little bit of gel on my side over here to blend in that right here, because that's my edges. I feel like there's like a line right there. So I'm gonna take some of my pressed powder and do my illusion trick of just putting some powder into that hairline to kind of open that up a bit. Okay, brush it out. Make sure this is blended right here. It's a little ashy. I'm gonna take a little bit of my silk spray, just kind of liven it up a little bit more, give it a good smell, and help the ends with that, with the tangling. There we go. Add a little bit more hairspray right here on the top, and we are done. Yeah, so here's the final look. I just did a little pin over real quick, just something, you know, simple to show off the hairline, because the hairline is looking good. No complaints, because it's $35. But if I needed to complain, I would probably complain about the texture, because it causes more tangling than I would like. It's a little bit more light yaki than yaki. I was just hoping for a little bit more, but I'm not mad at it, because, you know, it's $35. The curl is gorgeous. Even though I combed her out and, you know, shaped her for me, it bounced back really nicely. I did get some shedding with my unit, but only after I combed through the tangles. So I don't expect to get shedding if I'm just kind of, you know, sitting around. I'm pretty sure my wig is tangling up as it's rubbing across my clothes or against my clothes, but you can't really tell because of the curls. $35. Are you getting what I'm putting down? The hair is soft, it's not scratchy. If the flyaways get to be too much, add some silk spray, add some hairspray, add a little bit of grease, you know, weigh it down a little bit, you'll be just fine. Let me show y'all the hairline again. This is me right here, that's also me right here, but this is the wig. I cut that off to give me more of a closure look, and it worked out really well because my swoop kind of goes with the wig swoop. Everything is just perfection. Okay, even this side looks good. Yeah, this is cute, y'all. This wig is here for a good time, not a long time. Get your card. And them $30, $35 wigs from 6-7 years ago, that's all I'm gonna say about that. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so if you guys wanna check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.